Hi, welcome to the iConcepts Orthodontics Interactive Textbook project. This project aims to develop an interactive textbook as a web application for dental school students based on the content of iConcepts in Orthodontics, written by Dr. Shazia Nasser Uddin. The client does not wish to make the product publicly available before it is fully developed, and has not yet confirmed whether to collaborate with the University of Melbourne IT team for deployment. Therefore, for the Sprint2 product demonstration, we will use the development server to create a video presentation. We are now running on the development server, which allows us to preview the pages in a browser environment. Then we access the main page by visiting http://localhost on port 3000. This product is a collaboration between Team IC Bluering and Team IC Redback. In Sprint2, Team Bluering was mainly responsible for the layout design of the front page and chapter pages, while Team Redback focused on the layout design of the content pages and interactive video. On the home page, we showcase the textbook title. A placeholder is reserved for displaying the textbook cover image. There is a sidebar that allows users to toggle between reading mode and copyright information. This button here is reserved for dark mode feature, and the Show All button is for displaying all images. These are nice to have features that will be considered for implementation in future development. We have listed each chapter title in order, and you can scroll down to view all the chapters. In the chapter list, clicking on any chapter will take you to the specific chapter page. For example, clicking on Chapter 2 will take you to the Chapter 2 page. On the chapter page, there is a back arrow to return to the front page. A placeholder is reserved for displaying the chapter image. The chapter title and a brief chapter introduction are shown here. Below, you can scroll through to view all the sections of the chapter. Each section contains an image, a section title, and a section introduction. By clicking on a specific section, you will enter the corresponding content page. The layout has already been designed, and Team Redback will present this later. The actual content of the content pages will be the main focus of development in Sprint 3 for both teams. From the content page, you can return to the corresponding chapter page by clicking the back arrow. Clicking the top left arrow will return you to the front page. In the upcoming development phase, Team Bluering will finalize the copyright statement, add images and text content, and adjust the layout based on client feedback.
Our team built the sidebar layout, the contents for Chapter 1, and the interactive components. On this page, once the user clicks on the button at the top left corner, the sidebar will be expanded, which allows users to navigate between pages quickly. But at this moment, we only have the sidebar items as placeholders. Chapter 1 starts from page 4. We reproduce the content and the layout of the PDF document provided by our client. Currently, the learner notes on the next page is just a placeholder. We will make this area alive in later sprints so users can keep their own notes. Page 6 contains 2 image galleries. Students can click the buttons on the side of the gallery to view the images as a slideshow. The interactive video is located on the right side of page 10, and as you can see, the users can control the playback and toggle full screen mode just like normal videos. And more importantly, the playback speed can be adjusted by clicking the gears button on the timeline. The white dots on the timeline reveals the moments containing the pop-ups. Once the user clicks on the pop-up, the relevant information will be displayed, and the video will be paused, so the user can have enough time to read the message and Once they finish reading, they can click the pop-up again. The message will be dismissed and the video will be continued.